Who is this guy?
Paulie. He's twice my size.
Last time I saw a guy twice your size was on Mount Rushmore.
Are you ready to dive into the next thrilling chapter of Jack Reacher's adventures? This week, we're unpacking everything we know about Reacher Season 3, from action-packed plot lines to new cast members and potential release dates. This guide has all the latest details. Stick around to see what's in store for the Amazon Prime Video sensation. Reacher's new mission in Season 3. Season 3 of Reacher promises to deliver even more action, suspense, and intrigue than its predecessors. If you thought the helicopter stunts and relentless action of Season 2 set the bar high, prepare to be amazed. The third season will adapt Persuader, the seventh book in Lee Child's celebrated series, bringing a whole new layer of complexity and danger to Jack Reacher's story. In this installment, Reacher goes undercover in Boston, tasked with rescuing an informant held captive by a menacing foe from his past. The storyline dives deep into Reacher's strategic mind, showcasing his unmatched ability to think on his feet while navigating high-stakes situations. The mission isn't just about rescuing someone, it's about confronting a piece of Reacher's own history, making this journey as personal as it is perilous. Adding to the intrigue, Anthony Michael Hall joins the cast as Zachary Beck, a cunning businessman whose operations extend far beyond legitimate trade. Beck's shadowy dealings and commanding presence will pose a formidable challenge for Reacher. Fans of the book can anticipate plenty of twists, turns, and explosive confrontations as Reacher infiltrates Beck's world, with intense fight sequences and revelations about Reacher's past. Season 3 is shaping up to be a thrilling ride. Production and release timeline. Amazon Prime Video is moving full steam ahead with the production of Reacher Season 3, and fans couldn't be more excited. The announcement of the new season came directly from Ritchson, who shared a behind-the-scenes video revealing that filming is already underway. In the clip, Ritchson teased the exciting developments to come, adding an extra layer of anticipation for the next chapter in Jack Reacher's journey. While an official release date hasn't been announced yet, all signs point to a 2025 debut. The production schedule aligns with the previous season's timelines, ensuring that fans have plenty of time to rewatch seasons 1 and 2 while building up excitement for the third installment. The decision to start filming ahead of the Season 2 premiere highlights Amazon Prime Video's confidence in the series' enduring popularity. Since its debut, Reacher has broken records, becoming one of the streaming platform's most watched shows. Given this momentum, it's no surprise that the team is eager to keep the ball rolling. For fans eagerly counting down the days, the wait promises to be worth it. Season 3 is expected to bring more high-stakes action, compelling drama, and the kind of storytelling that has made Reacher a standout hit. What is Persuader about? For fans of the Reacher series, Persuader holds a special place as one of Lee Child's most gripping novels. First published in 2003, this seventh installment in the series is narrated from Reacher's perspective, giving readers and now viewers a deep dive into the mind of the enigmatic former military policeman. It's a story that seamlessly blends high-octane action with psychological depth, making it a prime choice for the next chapter in the Amazon Prime Video adaptation. The story kicks off with a rescue mission orchestrated by Reacher, but things quickly spiral out of control. The failed mission sets the stage for Reacher to go undercover and infiltrate a dangerous criminal organization. The stakes are high, as Reacher must gain the trust of the group while unraveling a sinister plot that ties back to his own past. The novel is packed with twists and turns, keeping readers on edge as Reacher's mission unfolds. What makes Persuader particularly compelling is its balance of intense action sequences and moral complexity. Reacher's journey isn't just about brute force, it's about strategy, deception, and confronting personal demons. This adaptation promises to give fans a deeper understanding of Reacher's character, adding layers of vulnerability and humanity to his tough exterior. Season 3 will bring this unforgettable story to life, offering fans a thrilling and emotional ride. Returning and new cast members. Ritchson returns as Jack Reacher, embodying the character's stoic charisma and unmatched physicality. Ritchson's portrayal has been praised for capturing the essence of Lee Child's creation, and fans can't wait to see him back in action. Season 3 will also introduce new faces, including Anthony Michael Hall as Zachary Beck. Hall's character is described as a savvy businessman with a dark side, making him a formidable foe for Reacher. Additionally, Sonia Cassidy joins as DEA agent Sarah Duffy, a tough and intelligent woman with a sharp sense of humor. Maria Sten, a fan favorite from Season 2, will reprise her role as Francis Neagley, ensuring Reacher has trusted allies by his side. Together, this ensemble promises a dynamic mix of chemistry and conflict, setting the stage for an unforgettable season. Reacher's evolution, what to expect. Each season of Reacher brings new dimensions to the character, and Season 3 will be no different. This time, Reacher's journey takes him far from family ties and into uncharted territory. As Alan Ritchson teased, the story focuses on Reacher's adventure in a new world, where he must rely on his instincts and combat skills to survive. Viewers can look forward to more of Reacher's signature, resourcefulness, and moral code, whether he's disarming opponents or outsmarting criminals. Reacher's journey in Season 3 will push him to his limits. The combination of action, strategy, and heart ensures this season will resonate with both longtime fans and newcomers. The popularity of Reacher. Since its debut in 2022, Reacher has become a cultural phenomenon. The series was the first Amazon Prime Video show to top the Nielsen charts, with Season 1 setting the bar high. According to reports, the first 3 episodes of Season 2 surpassed the entire audience of Season 1 by over 50%, solidifying the show's place as a streaming giant. This widespread acclaim is no accident. Reacher combines gritty storytelling with a charismatic lead, delivering a perfect balance of action and intrigue. Season 3 aims to build on this legacy, promising even greater thrills and deeper character exploration. Why Persuader is the perfect choice. Adapting Persuader for Season 3 is a strategic move that aligns with fans' expectations. The book is often praised for its intricate plot and intense pacing, elements that translate well to television. By choosing this novel, the creators ensure a gripping narrative that keeps audiences hooked from start to finish. Moreover, Persuader introduces a compelling villain in Zachary Beck, whose complexity adds depth to the story. The novel's themes of loyalty, revenge, and redemption resonate deeply, making it a fitting continuation of Reacher's saga. What lies ahead for Reacher? While Season 3 is the immediate focus, the future of Reacher looks bright. Alan Ritchson has hinted at more classic Reacher stories to come, suggesting that the series has plenty of material to explore. Lee Child's extensive bibliography provides a treasure trove of adventures, ensuring fans won't run out of content anytime soon. Whether it's tackling corrupt officials, unraveling conspiracies, or facing personal demons, Reacher's journey is far from over. The combination of strong source material and dedicated storytelling guarantees a long and successful run for the series. Who will appear in Season 3? When it comes to Reacher, the cast plays a pivotal role in bringing Lee Child's thrilling world to life. Alan Ritchson, who has become synonymous with the titular character, is set to reprise his role as Jack Reacher. His portrayal has been lauded for its perfect blend of Reacher's imposing physical presence and sharp intellect, making him a fan favorite. Ritchson's return ensures continuity and sets the tone for another action-packed season. Joining Ritchson is Anthony Michael Hall, who will play Zachary Beck, a complex character described as a successful businessman and rug importer. Beneath Beck's polished exterior lies a darker side, which will undoubtedly create tension and conflict with Reacher. His role as a new antagonist adds intrigue, as viewers anticipate a showdown between these two formidable personalities. Sonia Cassidy will step in as DEA agent Sarah Duffy, bringing a fresh dynamic to the cast. With her sharp wit and fearless approach, Duffy is expected to complement Reacher's mission in surprising ways. Meanwhile, Maria Sten will return as Francis Neagley, Reacher's trusted ally and friend, further grounding the series in continuity. With these talented actors and fresh additions, Season 3 promises to deliver captivating performances and dynamic relationships that elevate the stakes. The popularity of Reacher. Since its debut in 2022, Reacher has captured the hearts of fans worldwide, cementing its place as one of Amazon Prime Video's most successful original series. The first season not only captivated audiences with its gripping plot and action sequences, but also set records as the first Prime Video series to top the Nielsen streaming charts. Its blend of gritty storytelling, compelling characters, and edge-of-your-seat action has made it a standout in the genre. The momentum only grew with Season 2. According to reports, the first 3 episodes alone exceeded the entire audience of Season 1 by over 50%. This leap in viewership highlights how the series continues to build its fan base, resonating with both die-hard readers of Lee Child's novels and new audiences drawn to its accessible and thrilling storytelling. The creators of Reacher have skillfully adapted the series to reflect the spirit of the books while adding cinematic flair. The show's success is a testament to its ability to deliver consistent quality, with fans eagerly awaiting what's next. Season 3 is poised to build on this legacy, offering even more of the high-stakes action, clever plot twists, and character-driven drama that have made Reacher a global sensation. That's everything we know about Reacher Season 3. From the thrilling plot of Persuader to the return of fan-favorite characters, this season promises to deliver action, drama, and surprises. With production already underway, the countdown to 2025 has officially begun. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to rewatch Seasons 1 and 2 to prepare for the adventure ahead. Jack Reacher is back, and he's ready to take us on another unforgettable ride. Buckle up,